Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, US market bounce back after 3 day of correction. Uh, though the imposition of duty from 1st August on different country at higher rate are further coming, wherein Brazil has US has imposed 50% duty, considering from starting from 1st August, and that too, apart from the financial reason, the political reason was also included in that, wherein the Trump has commented for the uh, past president better behavior with the past president. So it's more of a like a government. US is not only looking at financial parameter in that, but also looking at geopolitical also in this perspective. So we don't know how this is likely to move. In fact, for India, the expiry of 9th June is there, but not yet indicated any extension of the terms or deal. So need to watch how it comes. It may be coming in near term. So quite a few uncertainties are there in the market. Even one more thing which is questionable for India is that Trump has indicated for the BRICS, wherein about the currency and also the impact of their coming together. So they are also treating India separate from BRICS, maybe creating some uncertainty for US as well. So let us see how the outcome comes. Then only we can say where the things are moving. But one need to be careful in that type of environment. Apart from that, Asian market are a bit positive, and futures of the US market are a bit negative. So more of a range-bound outlook has happened for last many days, and that is still continuing. Commodities has seen some positiveness, uh, wherein the aluminum has moved up over 2,600 again, and up by around 0.5%. Oil is over 70 now. Yesterday also it was just below 70, and now it is over 70. Iron ore has seen 2% gain, and steel has gained around 1.5%. So commodities are seeing positive signal, whereas copper remain flat after 50% duty imposed in the China, in the US. Yesterday, some news were there on the Vedanta about uh, the misrepresentation of their financials, specifically of Vedanta Resources. So, what we see that those facts are known to the market, and they are there since last 4 5 years, and well understood by the market. So, as such, we do not see any great impact of that on the prices. And also, company has and the group has taken a lot of initiative to correct that, to repay the debt of resources, and the resources, Vedanta Resources debt has come down in last 2 3 years by almost around $4 billion. So, and now the debt at the Vedanta Resources level are manageable and can be repaid over a period of time. So, no alarming situation for Vedanta of any financial risk. So, as such, we do not see this as a risk for the Vedanta or any, because of this corrections in the price can be used to accumulate this stock as company is demerging its business, which will create value. And also company has embarked on various expansion plan, wherein aluminum capacity will be increased, and specifically backward integration. They are uh, uh, taking a lot of initiative to improve the cost. So that is also likely to benefit. So outlook for Vedanta looks positive. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Last 4 to 5 trading session, we saw that Nifty trading within the range. That range comes around 25,670 in upper range, and downside 25,370, 350 is a downside important range for the index. We see some flattish open today also and remain a sideways during the day because Nifty trading within the range and taking a time between these 300 points. If Nifty break upper range, then we expect further new rally towards 25,900 and above range. But till the date, important resistance place if Nifty is 25,580 and then 25,617 upside. Downside first majorly support place around 25,370 and below that 25,300 is a major support for index. So today we expect flattish net and remain a sideways during the day. Bank Nifty also managed to sustain the important support zone and support that is 57,000 and 56,800 is a majorly support for Bank Nifty. And yesterday we saw that Bank Nifty managed to sustain and close above this important support zone. So we expect upside 57,640 next immediate resistance and then 57,800 and 900 next consecutive resistance for Bank Nifty. Both index trading near the support zone and maybe see some range trading in this last few 1 week. So we closely watch weekly close. If Nifty sustain this important support zone, then we expect further rally. Stock specific, PG Electric Pass looks positive. Yesterday we saw some good momentum. SW Solar also looks positive at current level in mid cap. In large cap fund, ICICI Banks trading near the support zone, and we saw the last day trading session we managed to sustain 1420 range, and if ICICI again break the 1450 range, then we expect 1490, 1500 in upper side. Apollo Tire also given a good breakout yesterday session, and we expect this momentum to be continued towards 490 range. PNB Housing Finance also positive, and yes, we have already given a call in PNB Housing Finance, and we expect this momentum to be continued towards 1130, 1140 range. Negative side, Vedanta looks weak at current level. Dr. Reddy also showing some pressure and break the important support zone yesterday's session, that is 1280, and yesterday closed below that important support zone. So we expect some pressure to be continue in Dr. Reddy. That's it for technical derivative. I can carry.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. On the derivative front, a little bit of open interest has increased yesterday with a decrease in PCR and a decrease in VIX. VIX has closed below the 12 levels. So all in all, positive data. But most importantly, we've again seen Nifty closing about 25,500 levels, and that is a positive. We expect Nifty to move up towards 26,000 levels. However, another important thing that has happened yesterday is 25,500 call strike has witnessed aggressive build up of positions on the strike, call strike. So expect certain amount of volatility around these areas, and once even the spot closes about 25,500 levels, you will see Nifty moving forward up to that 26,000 levels. Until then, we might see this consolidation going on for some time. The next real support for Nifty is around 25,000 levels. So yeah, look out for the same. Some days back, we had seen some rise in open interest on the put front from 25,400 and downwards. But now that has stalled, and we are seeing some call built up from 25,500 up to 26,000 levels, indicating that certain amount of resistance is coming in. However, the bias continues to remain bullish, and let's see what happens. Going forward at this point of time, consolidation should go on. From the stock specific front, IT stocks in the past few trading sessions have witnessed, consolidation, but most importantly, in the 3 4 months, the open interest, the shorts have reduced, and we are seeing longs being built in the system for IT. So the likes of TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, these stocks can move up going forward. So yeah, look out for the same. That's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Thank you, Nirav. Good morning, everyone. MQ Pharma has received a zero observation from US FDA following a pre approval inspection at its oncology manufacturing facility in Gujarat. So, overall, this is positive for MQ Pharma. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, one IPO, that is SmartWorks Co-working Spaces Limited, is opening for subscription. The total issue size of the IPO is 583 crore, comprising of 445 crore of fresh issue, and the rest is for offer for sale. So the company plans to utilize these funds for capex and repayment of debt. It is one of the prominent player in this managed workspace sector, wherein it is operating almost around 10 lakh million square feet space across 54 centers with a total seats of more than 2 lakhs. Companies like Google, Persistent are its clients, and there are many other clients in manufacturing and workforce management as well. So basically, the company leases land from landlords for long term, does the fit outs, and leases out to its clients for long term. It has a asset light model. So over the period of time, the company has positioned itself as a prominent player in this space due to the scale and cost efficiencies. The revenues have grown at a CAGR of 39%, and EBITDA has grown at a CAGR of 68% in the last 2 years. And they have also reported a good cash surplus while making losses at the net level due to higher depreciation. However, we believe the company has a concentration on the straight lease model which it follows, and that can be a deterrent to growth in future. At the upper price band of rupees 407, the issue is priced at 26 times EV by adjusted EBITDA of FY25, and we are recommending neutral to this issue. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, gold might test 96,800 levels, where we expect some selling pressure to come in. So, 96,850, 900 are the levels where one can initiate a sell and maintain a strict stop loss of 97, 200. For trading purpose, one can also buy around 96 to 50 for a pullback, and maintain a stop loss of 95 950. And silver to we are expecting prices to consolidate. So buying on dips around 1 lakh 6,500 is recommended, and a pullback can last till 1 lakh 7,500 to 1 lakh 8,000. Again, 1 lakh 8,000 is the area where prices are facing a stiff resistance. So selling around 1 lakh 8,000 with a strict stop loss of 1 lakh 9,000 is recommended too. In metals, copper can witness some pullback till 898, 890 levels. So strictly buy with a stop loss of 880. And again on the rallies, selling around 890 is recommended with a stop loss of 895. And zinc, though, looks strong. Buying on dips around 5750 is recommended, and we are likely to witness prices testing 161, 261 262 levels. So buying on dips in zinc is recommended. And in crude oil, one can buy on dips around 58.30, 58.20. Should maintain a strict stop loss of 57.80, and again prices are resisting at 5900, 5950. So profit booking around these levels is recommended. And natural gas, one can sell on rise around 280 with a stop loss of 290, and again on downside 270 to 65 are the levels where one can book profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.